Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's more relevant than ever: how to make money on social media in 2023. With platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and more, the opportunities for monetizing your social media presence have never been greater. But of course, it's not as simple as just posting pictures or videos. In this video, we'll explore some tried and true strategies and the latest trends to help you turn your social media passion into a profitable venture. If you find this content valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our money-making tips. Number 1. Content is king. Our first step to making money on social media is to remember the age-old adage: content is king. Whether you're into photography, cooking, fashion, or comedy, quality content is the foundation of any successful social media venture. Your posts should be engaging, authentic, and tailored to your audience's interests. In 2023, authenticity is key, so be yourself and share your unique perspective. Number 2, choose the right platform. Every social media platform has its strengths and demographics. So, the next step is to choose the right platform for your content. Instagram and Pinterest are great for visual content, while YouTube is the go-to for video creators. TikTok is known for its short-form videos, and LinkedIn is ideal for professionals. Research your target audience and pick the platforms that align with your content and audience. Number 3, build your brand. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to build your personal brand. Your brand is essentially your online identity. It should be consistent across all your social media profiles. Use a memorable profile picture, create a compelling bio, and curate your content to reflect your brand's values and personality. Branding helps you stand out and attract a loyal following. Number 4, engage with your audience. Engagement is key to growing your social media presence. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create polls or surveys to interact with your audience. The more you engage, the more invested your followers become. Brands are more likely to collaborate with influencers who have an active and engaged audience. Number 5, monetization options. Now, let's talk about the fun part: making money. There are several ways to monetize your social media presence in 2023. Option 1, sponsored content. Partner with brands that align with your niche. They'll pay you to create content featuring their products or services. Just make sure it's a natural fit for your audience. Option 2, affiliate marketing. Promote products or services with affiliate links. You'll earn a commission for every sale generated through your unique affiliate link. Option 3, sell your products. If you have your own products or services, social media is a fantastic platform to promote and sell them directly to your followers. Option 4, offer online courses or coaching. If you're an expert in your field, consider offering online courses or coaching services. Platforms like Facebook groups or Patreon can help you connect with paying members. Option 5, crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon, Kickstarter, or Buy Me a Coffee allow your audience to support you directly with donations. Number 6, stay updated on trends. Social media is a constantly evolving landscape. To stay relevant and maximize your income potential, you need to keep up with the latest trends and updates on your chosen platforms. This includes algorithm changes, new features, and emerging trends in your niche. And there you have it, your roadmap to making money on social media in 2023. Remember, success on social media doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, consistency, and a genuine passion for what you do. Whether you're an aspiring influencer, content creator, or entrepreneur, these strategies can help you turn your social media presence into a lucrative venture. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts or any additional tips in the comments below. And, as always, don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights. Thanks for watching, and here's to your social media success in 2023. Thank you for joining us today. If you're looking for more ways to thrive in the digital world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for future episodes. Your success is our priority.